All right, how to start a barbing salon business if you don't know how to barb. Listen, you don't have to know how to cut hair before you own a barbing salon. Yes, you heard me right. In fact, some of the biggest barbershop owners in your area have not held a clipper in years. But guess what? Their shop stays full every weekend. So if you have been thinking you can't start because you don't know how to barb, my friend, you are thinking wrong. Let me show you exactly how to start a profitable barbering salon business, even if you don't know how to barb a single person. One, get a shop or space and furnish it up. The first thing is to get a location. Look for a spot with movement. I mean, somewhere people pass every day, somewhere near a junction, a campus, or inside a busy street. You don't need a massive space for this. Even a small corner shop can work. Just make it inviting, paint it, put a mirror, and add good lighting, maybe a small TV or speaker. The shop needs to look sharp because that is what will attract people to your salon. Two, get the necessary tools and equipment. You will need clippers, sterilizers, mirrors, chairs, brushes, aprons, fans or AC if you can, and a generator if NEPA does what NEPA does most. This is Nigeria. Buy the quality ones, not the cheap clippers that start making noise to people's ears after 2 week use. Remember, this is your business foundation, so don't rush this part and don't buy fake equipment. Three, register your business. Now it is time to make it official. Register your business name, even if it is just a simple name, because it gives you credibility and helps you later when you want to brand or expand. Also, it shows customers you are serious with the business, not just one of those I dey try small shops. You understand? Four, hire a skilled barber. I mean, your stylist. Listen, here is the smart part. Since you don't know how to barb yet, find someone who does, someone who is a skilled stylist. Post an opening, ask around, or visit other salons to seek for a professional stylist. Just make sure you are friendly and straightforward when looking for a stylist. Once you find your stylist, treat them well. Take notes. Good stylists can attract loyal customers, and if they like working with you, they will help your business grow fast. So always treat them well. It is very important. Five, choose your payment model. Now, you have to decide on how to pay your barber. You have three main options to choose from. One, salary. This is where you pay them a fixed monthly amount. Two, commission. This is where they get a percentage of each haircut they make. This is mostly 60/40, where you take 60% and your stylist goes with 40%. Then boot rental. This is where your stylist pay you weekly or monthly for using your space, depending on your agreement. Each one works depending on your agreement and your area. But if you are just starting, commission is usually the best because it doesn't have any pressure for you, and your stylist will work harder since they earn per head. They will even be the one doing most of the marketing for your business. Six, learn as you go. This is the part where most salon business owners get it wrong. Don't just sit at home collecting money. Stay around and observe. Watch how your stylist cuts, lines, and fades. Ask questions, take notes, and learn small, small. You need to start learning the skill at least uh to an extent, because one day your barber might leave, and when that happens, you wouldn't want your shop to close down for even one day. With the little knowledge you have gathered, you will be able to handle customers for the meantime while you find a replacement. That is how smart business owners survive. Seven, monitor your income. Finally, You have to track your money. Don't just assume you are making sales. Have a small book or app where you record daily records, expenses, and profits, because it helps you see what is really going on, who is bringing in customers, what days are the busiest, and how much you are actually making. This small habit is what separates business owners from hustlers. Then I have a bonus tip for you, and that is adding extra services like beard grooming, dye, facials, or mini pedicure for men, because that is where real money starts flowing in. You can even sell hair creams, sprays, or aftershave inside your shop. Barbing alone gives you customers, while add-ons give you profits. So you see, you don't need to be a barber before you can own a salon. You just need to think like a business owner. Get a space, furnish it, hire right, learn as you grow, and manage your money, because that is very important. Start small today, and before you know it, your salon business will start growing. And trust me, that feeling is always different. So if you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and share this video with someone out there. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next videos.